like to tilt that nail back and forth a little bit so people can actually see the glow on that foil. It looks super
Look at
cool. Yep, tilt back and forth a bit.
Okay. And a no wipe top coat. Ah, I just drop it. Nuna, thank you. Hi Maya, how are you, love? Thank you, lady. Thank you so much, everyone. Okay. Now, what should we do it now? I'm excited. Pink.
Yes, start with some centerpiece.
I can absolutely. Can I get one of this?
Want to try this? Giant. Right.
Okay. I feel like I'm going to the testing center right now. Like, you get whatever is that, put it on your station, and then you gotta create it.
Looks like a giant. Should be fun.
All right, everyone. Wish me luck.
I like that.
So here the concept that I would love to share with everyone. Doesn't matter whatever design, what shape you got, as long as you place them close together and you can pair them with all of your charms, your chains, anything. Usually it's pretty much like really, how to explain it, come out nicely for your final look. If you're not sure, just try it and you will know exactly what I'm talking about. And do not afraid of to take a challenge. If you feel like it doesn't turn out exactly the way you expecting it, it's okay. You can do it second times. You can do so many times you want to.
It looked like a stick figure for a moment there.
All right, I'm gonna put some beads on it. Excuse me, I'm gonna put some frame, some bead on it and see how it turned out for us.
You know what? You gotta do more. Opal. It just looks really good.
Oh, look at Mickey Mouse. Look at that.
And you have the whole Mickey Mouse with the two little hand too. Now it becomes like a queen with a crown on top.
He was trying to make it up.
Not really, though.
A lot of stuff.
See? Like these queens have really curly hair.
I don't think so. It's the flowers right now. You keep trying.
And you know what? I really dig the opal today.
adjusting if you needed it. And now I am going to using the frame. Let's see. Let's get some more. I need some more of the frame over here. Can I get some? Open it.
You want gold frame or silver?
Just right here, the same frame. They all mix, I guess.
Yeah, they all mix.
So now between the crystals and putting the beads on it.
Yeah, because you know how to try. There's a lot of stuff in there.
Can you pour that? You know what? I always have something planned and I always do something else.
Which is fun.
I will put 3 beads on this one. Oh, it dropped right there. Can Instagram see? Can you check?
Yep. Looking at that fine. Tilt a bit, make it a bit easier.
Alright.
Yep, and see like the plan is, Nuna gonna do a live on Sunday.
Oh, Nuna! Yeah,
Early
awesome.
evening. Hey Nuna, let us know. Through the group chat and we'll be there for you.
Nuna, your work is so beautiful. So proud of you. You did amazing work. Thanks for sharing and inspiring us. Beautiful works. I can't wait to see you. Just let us know, Nuna. Just send it on the group so we'll be there. Some.
Yep, you know what I see?
You see flowers?
Well, to a bit. Yeah, so chat, let me know if you see it like me. So I see like a queen with a really big hairdo with a lot of accessory on it, some really pointy shoulder guard, and really nice slender figure with a really bling out, I guess, robe or dress.
I don't know.
Tell me if you see the same.
You think? It's hard to see from this tray because there's so many of them. I feel I'm so quiet.
Oh, your focus. I'm finishing up that dress.
And continue doing my
Bless you.
Thank you. Continue to add on more beads on. Looks good. Hold on. Like smaller. I should put the frame, but I forgot. This is a real live tutorial. I'm really enjoying it, and thank you so much everyone for so patient and be with me.
And you know what? Now it's turning.
It's not a cooking shows.
No, it's not. It's not.
Cooking show like here, next step here. Okay, I'll
Well,
bake
you know
30
what?
minutes.
You're cooking up something nice. Right now it's becoming like a flower bouquet. I don't know what the flowers gonna
Oh my goodness. Okay. So here's I have to say here honest. After I like create this one, I don't see my background at all. Just a little bit left. So if I start doing it
Do you know
more.
what? Stop it. Let's queue for 60 seconds.
No, I'm gonna do it again. I'm gonna continue to do it more. I don't care.
I feel bad for the dress before.
It's okay. It just at least I show the general for how it's work, and I'm enjoying this crystal placement.
Well, yes. Now it's officially become a flower bouquet.
This is like okay. So there's no offense at all. If you like it, just a chamfer foil top coat, and you're good to go. But if you want to do a crystal placement, you can. Okay, one more. Like if the clients just want chamfer foil, and as I show it earlier techniques, and you just apply it and you're good to go. There you go. It's a long one. I'm trying to find one more bar that is same with the one I had. I think I found it. All right.
Make sure everything's good, everything in order, and I'm ready to queue.
I'm adjusting it to make it look so. I still have some left for the background. So I'm not feeling that too bad. But as I say, if you like to not having any crystal placement, I think it looks pretty by itself as well. Just keep that.
Alright, show camera.